Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. We'll be showcasing the top 5 best belt sanders for woodworking you can buy this year. Stay tuned as we guide you through each model's features and benefits. Let's get started. Skil 7510-2001 Belt Sander. The Skil 7510-2001 Belt Sander is a versatile tool designed for sanding wood surfaces efficiently. Powered by a 6.0 amp motor and equipped with a 3-inch x 18-inch sanding belt, it handles tough sanding tasks effortlessly. Pressure control technology ensures optimal finish by monitoring sanding pad pressure, while auto-track belt alignment keeps the belt centered for even sanding. Compatible with standard 1 to 1/4 inch vacuum hoses, its microfiltration system captures fine dust particles, maintaining a clean workspace. With features like flush edge sanding for maximum capacity, single lever belt change, and an ergonomic design with on-off trigger and lock-on button, the Skil 7510-2001 Belt Sander offers comfortable control during extended use. Backed by a 1-year warranty, it includes an 80-grit sanding belt. Makita 9403 Belt Sander. The Makita 9403 Belt Sander is a powerhouse designed for fast material removal with minimal noise, prioritizing operator comfort. Its 4-inch wide belt operates at a speed of 1,640 feet per minute, (FPM), ideal for woodworkers, carpenters, and general contractors alike. The 11-amp motor with electronic speed control maintains constant speed under load, while innovative design features allow for flush sanding against walls. Labyrinth construction protects the motor and bearings from dust and debris, enhancing tool durability. Emitting only 84 decibels (dB), it's one of the quietest sanders in its class, making it suitable for quieter work environments. Combining power, speed, and ease of use, the Makita 9403 Belt Sander sets a high standard for professional sanding applications. Craftsman CMEW 213 Belt Sander. The Craftsman CMEW 213 Belt Sander is a robust tool designed for efficient sanding across various surfaces. Powered by a 7.0 amp motor, it operates at speeds up to 800 feet per minute, (FPM), effectively removing material while maintaining proximity to adjacent surfaces. Its tool-free belt release system simplifies belt changes, and the onboard dust bag ensures a clean workspace with high-performance dust collection. Comfort is enhanced with a 3-position over-molded handle. Compatible with the VersaTrack wall organization system, it offers convenient storage options. Backed by a 3-year limited warranty, the Craftsman CMEW 213 Belt Sander is a durable choice for all sanding needs. 16321 Belt Sander. The 16321 Belt Sander is a 7-amp corded tool essential for woodworking enthusiasts and DIYers alike. Its powerful motor drives the belt at over 13 feet per second, making sanding tasks efficient. Weighing only 6 pounds, its compact design reduces user fatigue during extended use. Equipped with a detachable dust bag for cleanliness, it includes an extended front roller for easy sanding in tight spaces. The quick-release sanding belt facilitates easy grit adjustments with options for 60, 80, and 120 grits. Backed by a 2-year warranty and supported by a nationwide network of technicians, the 16321 Belt Sander offers reliability and convenience for various sanding applications. Jellas BS02 SD Belt Sander. The Jellas BS02 SD Belt Sander excels as a versatile tool for woodworking projects. Featuring a 7-amp motor and a 3 inches by 21 inches sanding belt, it offers variable speed control from 120 to 400 rotations per minute, (RPM), for precise sanding. Its dual functionality as a bench and belt sander makes it space efficient, supported by 10 included sanding belts of various grits for flexibility in sanding tasks. The detachable dust collecting bag with exhaust holes facilitates easy installation, removal, and cleaning, ensuring longevity by preventing dust from entering the motor. Easy belt installation is complemented by clear instructions. Supported by 2-year customer support, the Jellas BS02 SD Belt Sander is user-friendly and reliable for woodworking enthusiasts. We hope this video helps you find the perfect belt sander for your woodworking needs. See you next time.